Good evening, class. Mercy,
Good
Carol.
morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, so today we are going to do the topic about grafting. And before we continue, somebody to tell us the meaning of grafting. Aaron, kindly.
It's
It's
the
the
joining
joining
of the
of
scion
the scion
and
and
rootstock of a
rootstock of
plant.
a plant.
Okay, thank you. Let us see from the definition I have. So this is the propagation technique of placing a shoot system of one cultivar of a species on one root system of another to make a new composite plant, isn't it? Okay, so we are now going to see the reason why we are grafting. And the first reason is to control the genetic variation and produce true to type seedlings. As you can see in our picture, we see some apples. They are in large size, some are very small. So a farmer may decide to go for the apple which produce large fruits to graft with the one which produces small ones. So the farmer may decide to use the one with the big fruits as a scion and the one with the small one as the rootstock. So that's why we are doing grafting. Another reason for grafting is to introduce onto a cultivar a desired trait. As you can see in our pictures, we have the apple, we have the oranges. So we may decide to choose the taste. We may decide to do grafting to enhance the taste, shelf life, fruit sizes, as I had told you before, that the desired characteristics. And also to enhance, we have to introduce into a cultivar a desired trait, for example, a fruit which is resistant to diseases and pests. Are we together, class? Class, are we?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So another point is to propagate plants that are unsuccessful by other asexual methods. For example, there are fruits like mango. You cannot do it by removing the cuttings. You cannot propagate through cutting. So the only way we can do that, we propagate plants that are unsuccessful by other asexual methods by grafting, as we had said. Another point, and the last one, is to control a plant size. We may find that some trees are very, very tall. It may be very, very, very problem to climb a tree to pick your fruits because it's very tall. So you may decide to control your size by taking the one with which has no tall stems, tall tree with the one with which have the high trees. So you will graft that one so that you'll get the one which doesn't have a very tall tree. And that one will be very easy during the time when you'll be harvesting. Okay, class? So
Yes.
So before we end our class, I'm going to give you an assignment. You are going to discuss in groups so that the next class we are going to tackle that one. So the assignment is you research on grafting techniques and applications. So so in grafting we have techniques and applications. So you go and look for that one, you do that assignment, and then we will meet next in class. Thank you, class. Yeah.